The Visacrem Ruby Pro is a compact, contemporary machine designed to provide professional espresso in the tightest of spaces. It comes with a choice of either red, black or white coloured body panels. The Ruby Pro 1 Group features a 5-litre copper boiler and the 2 Group a 6.5-litre copper boiler with Teflon tubing for durability. The angled group handles allow for better grip and a reduced risk of RSI. Narrow 2-cup filter holders allow for 2 coffees to be made at the same time. The Ruby Pro offers outstanding flexibility as pods, capsules or ground coffee can be served on the same machine using different filter holders. Make multiple coffees and drinks at the same time. The rotatable steam wand lets you froth milk easily.